Hey guys, welcome back. So I have planned to start a new series on Spring Boot for absolute beginners. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the topics I'm going to cover in this series. So let's take a look on those very briefly. So at first, I'm going to create a code repository on any of the repository management platform. For example, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, whatever. And then I will create a demo Spring Boot application, and we'll try that against a REST client to verify the setup. Then I will install and configure Jenkins on my local machine, and we'll briefly explain the differences between the CI and CD. Uh, so if you do not know already, CI means continuous integration and CD means continuous delivery. Then I will create a pipeline, CD pipeline for the product we are going to build. Then I will discuss briefly about the S- Spring Boot container, Spring Beans in version of control. What are these terms and what do they actually mean, and why knowledge on these topics actually matter. So we will briefly discuss about this in this series as well. And then I will talk about the component scan and configuration annotations, and definitely we will be using it in our project as well. Then we will take a set of requirements on task management. We are going to work on task management in this series. So we will analyze a bunch of requirements on that, and then we will design a basic ERD for task management. Then we will design a class diagram. Then we will generate boilerplate codes with that class diagram. Then we will set up a database for this product. It can be either MySQL or PostgreSQL. So then we are going to configure Spring Data JPA in our project. Then we'll create entity classes. Then we will configure JUnit or Mockito for test-driven development. Then we will implement the service endpoints for different operations. Then we will test the service endpoints against with a REST client. And then finally we'll summarize the whole series, and um, I will give the further links and practices you can uh, do yourself in order to take your skills a step ahead. So I hope that it will be very helpful to you if you have never used Spring Boot, or if you are someone who is planning to learn it for whatever purpose you may have. So I hope that this will one way or another help you to get things started. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace out.